Hello, all Business Central folks. So, this week we are discussing about what's new in 2023 release wave 2. And on to the next video on that, we'll talk about show related record details from Lookup. Now, this might look confusing from the description, but let's understand it. So, it used to take multiple clicks to get to the detail of related record from Lookup dialogs. And let me tell you what that means. So when you go into Business Central, let's go to the Business Central 2022. If you are on, let's say, customer card, and you pop up a customer, and you'd like to see what this JO is all about. So you can get some details from here, like Jim, Olive, and others. But if you have to get more details about it, you have to click on this, and then you head up to this page. Even if this does not give you all info, you had to go and click on this to get to the card and see all the info about that salesperson. Now, this behavior was similar across the board. Like if you went into the sales, click on sales order and try to find out the details of the item that you're trying to sell, right? It's not that easy to navigate that record from here. You have to again follow the same drill, go to the lookup page, then from here go and go to the view so that you get the right set of info that you are looking for. Now that surely would have wasted so much time for our customers and was a pain. Now to understand that, as people have requested it and Microsoft identified that there are problems in that, they come up with a better way of doing this, and that's what is show details. Now if I'm on a customer and I pick a customer, I go to the salesperson. As soon as I drill down, I see a new button there called show details. What happens when I click on it? As soon as I click on it, it navigates me to the exact salesperson card directly over there. Now let's see the behavior on the sales side as we saw it there. And we'll talk about the custom fields and all in a while. When I come here and I try to navigate to the same item, which I was trying to, as soon as I drill down on it, I should also see the show detail, and that will navigate me to the item card directly. Now let's talk about a customization on it. So for that, what I've done, so that you understand how to get the show detail in your code, I've created a small extension. We have a page and a table extension where I'm adding a demo code field on my customer list as well as on my customer card. Now this drill down actually comes from a table relation to my table, SDS demo table. So let's go in there, which is this, and this have a table attached, and this also have pages attached to that table. Now when I publish this, and I think it should be published, yes. So I should come here, click on customer, navigate to customer card, choose the demo code. As soon as I have a value here, I will see the show detail. But what happens when I click on it? It fails and it says something went wrong. Now, there are some design patterns that we all should follow when we are doing development. Let's test it out one by one. Whenever you create a table and you have an associated list page to it, which is this, I should add this on my table saying this is my lookup page ID for this table, and this is my also drill down page ID. So anytime any of these actions are done on this particular record, it should navigate me to the right page, which is the list page in this equation. Let's see what happens when we set that property on our page. Now when I click on show record or show details, it should read those properties and navigate me to the record. Okay, so let's give it a try. When I click on this and click on show detail, it navigates to me to a filtered view of my list page saying this is the record that you're looking for. But we don't want that. We actually want to go to the card page. For that, we also need to understand that on the list page, we also have to define a property called card page ID, and I need to define the card page that I have. Utilizing these two properties, one at the table level and one at the list page level. If the design pattern is followed correctly, your navigation will directly go into your card page for the selected record on your entity. So if everything we have done is correct, if I now do the show detail, it should pop up my card of that particular record which I'm trying to access. So hope this video helps you to understand what's the new feature and how you'll utilize it as a developer. Now remember, whenever you are building tables, if there are associated list pages, define them on drill down and lookup page ID. And if you have a card page associated with that particular list page, then define that as card page ID and your user will see the seamless experience throughout the application. You know the drill. If you like the content, hit the like button. If you think that other developers and users will benefit from it, then share this video. And if you haven't, please do subscribe to the channel because there is a lot. We'll talk about each and every feature that has been released and available in the preview. Till then, have a great day and I'll see you soon.